Okay.
Throttle stuck again. Welcome back to another episode of Speed Bump. Today, we're at the lake to get the black golf cart and take it back so we can fix it. I wouldn't tell you what's wrong with it, but I'll let David tell that story. What happened?
Well, that's a good question. Because I just dumped you guys in the water, if I remember. I hit the pedal and it just took off in a wheelie. I turned the wheel, hit the brakes, turned off the key. Nah, wasn't stopping this guy.
So the throttle was hung?
Wide open.
Wide open, huh?
Had both feet on the brake.
How'd you end up getting it to stop?
Well, as I was driving around the property, looking for a place to crash, and trying to think about this, I thought, you know, it might fit between them storage containers. That'd be kind of a squeeze stop, you know.
What are you laughing at?
I'm just imagining him just.
How'd that go again?
There's a scene in Indiana Jones where he drives a boat between two ships that are getting close together, and this is basically what David did to stop the runaway golf cart by driving it between the two shipping containers in their backyard.
Why wouldn't the key turn it off, David?
Well, y'all are going to tell me when you fix it.
Now, JT's dad lived through Desert Storm, so we're not going to let this golf cart kill him. We're ordering a bunch of parts, and the whole gang is going to spend the next couple weeks fixing this golf cart up so we can give it back to David.
All right, we're back here at the house with the golf cart.
The problem David had when he driving the golf cart was the throttle hung open, and Cody just figured out why. This one is the throttle cable, and it's kinked and broken in half right there.
It's shorter one this time.
Either shorter or longer.
All right, Cody's gonna take this body off. He's decided he wants to paint it, so boom, there it goes.
I got to order a radio for it. New speakers. We have to figure out how to wire it where the ignition will kill everything. Doing wire management. You got those. You got this. I think that one.
What is all that? Is that wire nuts on all that?
Yeah, it's all there. Oh, wait, they're still. Got those.
These people put this golf cart together and they used wire nuts.
Which one? That's the horn. One of the horns. It goes to this little.
Do we need it?
Control box.
What is this?
That used to, you could play you could piano, record.
What?
You got do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
This is a pretty good little manual that Diana found for us. And she was kind enough to print it out and make this little binder. They show all the convoluted tubing and where everything comes out, and that has actually made this project much easier.
Right inside there.
No, I didn't spray down in there too heavy because,
No need.
yeah.
We're gonna call this day 2 of golf cart build or rebuild. We're in Ricky's garage again where we were last time. Now we're gonna go through the box of goodies, or all the boxes of goodies we've ordered. All right, we got these cool little relays here. Got a built-in fuse in them. That way everything's gonna be on a fuse. We're gonna box those. Heat shrink.
Shrink connectors, man. You can't go wrong with those. A box in a box.
Oh, I think this is the light kit.
Number 1, we got a horn.
Yeah, the light kit comes with a horn. So
That's
the steering column.
yeah,
that's the turn signals,
the horns,
headlights, horn.
Beep beep. What's that?
You got high beam and low beam.
What's this? Oh, it's got hazard lights.
And hazards.
Hazards.
Is this a street legal kit?
Yes.
Oh, what is that?
Pile hydro system. Cute little mini stereo.
Little head unit there. That's cool.
Cool.
Cool. Well, they are marine. They are marine.
Yeah, they're marine rated, so they should deal with the crap. And I was kind of thinking the plastic was better because metal is going to get bent. This
will just get broke, so it's fine.
Yeah.
All right, got the body here, nice and blue. Cody did a fantastic job painting this thing up. Looks really good.
I asked Ricky if he had a Dremel, and he's like, nah, I don't have a Dremel. And he's like, but I got something that might work. So he went and got with his old lady. And look, he brought out her nail Dremel for her fingernails. And it's actually working a little bit.
It might take a year.
Do you want this chair? Does this chair help?
I'm looking for my cutters.
It's your throttle linkage you're screwing up. Mm-hmm. Now what is this?
All right, so this little switch right here is in line with the ground to kill the engine.
Okay.
So if our relay takes crap and we're in the middle of the woods, we can just flip it and that overrides all the safeties and lets the engine run.
So we could even pull start it.
So yeah, so we could pull start.
What's your status?
We're wiring lights. Cody bought this nice Amazon kit.
Yeah, that means the instructions are garbage.
The problem I had was the front left is a white connector,
Okay.
which is this one.
Yeah.
The front right is a red connector,
Okay.
which is this white one.
Which is also white.
The rear
Do you have a red Sharpie?
is red and white.
Oh.
I had to figure that out.
So they ran out of red connectors and just
Slapped a white.
slapped the white one for you. Okay.
All right, JT is trying to break these beads, and the only thing we have is a press. We got Jeff over here today.
All right, Jeff. Let's see if we can get this thing in.
Put some of that slick in there. Woo wee! Look at there. Here you go. Welcome JT's Tire Service.
Work.
Hey, that's more than one grunt, sir.
Mine don't have to come off.
All right, guys, so I think this is day 7 or 8 of working on the golf cart, and it's almost done. I'm about to head to Ricky and Diana's. They said it's almost ready. We just need the steering wheel and then to weld the roof on. So I'm gonna grab the old trusty Lincoln. Let's see.
Hey, Kyle.
Ooh, this is awesome.
I know, it
I haven't
was.
seen it in a few.
This is
few days.
360. Nope.
No, what?
Thing is loud.
It pops into gear.
Yeah, it likes to not stay in neutral.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What?
It popped into gear while we were trying to get it to work, and my
Yeah,
knees fucking hurt because of this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it holds for now, it doesn't need one because they're not being used.
It's rods that go all the way out to here.
5/8.
5/8 rods? And they're rosette welded like here, 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 and on the other side.
What is rosette welding?
Where you drill a hole and weld it.
So after many days of work from the whole gang, it was finally time to test drive this golf cart. Ricky and JT were up first.
It's recording already.
All right.
All right, I want immediate impressions of the first drive here.
Then auto cancel. Steering is terrifying at high speeds.
Well, that's got a lot of toe out. That's to be expected.
Yeah, we'll fix that. It's fun though.
It's touchy.
It is touchy. It's ready to go.
It needs,
All right.
it needs a back really bad.
Yeah. JT's sitting over here fucking like a
How many
horse.
times my toes were the only thing holding me in, just like that.
They're all sitting at the table and just stuck like, oh
Ignition knock,
Ignition knock.
throttle.
How'd it do?
Any of that turned out because I was worried about dying.
How'd it run?
It almost popped a wheelie on us over there. It's
Popped a
got-
wheelie.
He was doing something, and yeah.
It seems like it's got a torque converter in it.
It's got a torque averter. Torque averter. There you go.
Except whenever the belt grabs.
Yeah.
Why is it like that?
There's so much compression.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Oh, at least you got your safety glasses on. That's good.
Like you can't even shift gear when it's on compression.
Weird. You need a more powerful battery. What's wrong with it? Oh, God. That's awesome. That's cool. It's pretty. Dude.
Oh my God, Nick, are you okay?
Throttle stuck again.